It's garlic time. I started planting garlic. I prepared the bed with some compost, and I got those on eBay actually. Those are German garlic. They are red, see? So since I'm from Germany, as you know, I was very happy to have found this. A friend recommended it. He sent me the link and I thought, oh wow, German garlic. So that's what I got. And I have 50 cloves. All you have to do is dig it in the ground. So the question is how deep and how far apart. So I stick them in till I reach my knuckle, about. Otherwise, if it rains and you just stick them in the ground a little bit, this would be sufficient as well. But if it rains a lot, they jump out. The dirt changes and then they jump out. And then they lie on the surface and might not grow. So stick them in a little bit further. You don't really have to cover them. So now you have one here. And the garlic will grow about so big. And the other one so big. And you leave a little bit of space. And voila, you have your spacing. Just, I have a little bit more here. That doesn't matter. 4 fingers. You have more like 3 fingers spacing. 3 fingers. That's enough. See? Goes so big. This one grows so big. And then you have enough spacing. Okay, where am I? So I just stick them in. Bottom is here. And this is the top. Don't put them in the other way around. And next year, once they start growing, I start fertilizing a little bit with nitrogen. You could use 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 as well. Or there is a fertilizer which I haven't used. It is sulfate calcium. So the sulfate clings to the calcium and gets transported in the garlic into the garlic through the water, and then the garlic taste is intensified. So I haven't used it yet. I might try it and then I could report. So if it grows properly, you can harvest it next June. So if you want, you can cover it up, but you don't have to, because once it rains, the holes they cover themselves. Okay, I wish you good luck if you grow garlic. Oh, by the way, if you don't have a garden, you can grow it in pots as well. Okay, take care.